Tesla's military Cybertrucks. Electric vehicles are becoming more popular, especially now that we have one in space. It is only normal that even the military considers incorporating electric vehicles, or EVs, into their fleet of vehicles. Every soldier thrives on that added advantage that their equipment can offer them. Most EVs are silent, so just imagine a killing machine capable of carrying a whole squad of soldiers into enemy territory without making a single sound. Or if you could imagine a military vehicle with stealth, speed, and high efficiency. Before we continue with today's video, be sure to leave us a like and subscribe for more content like this weekly. Today, we'll be talking about the military's plan to incorporate EVs into the army and use them for remote missions. The EV of choice here is the Tesla Cybertruck. You must have heard something about the Cybertruck. The proposed military Cybertruck has been dubbed the armoured personnel carrier from the future. I would hate to dash your hopes against the rocks, but the Tesla military Cybertruck isn't available yet, and the truck itself is set to be released sometime in 2021. The Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck is an alien-looking mean machine with a base price tag of $39,000. Sounds like a pretty sweet deal. So why is this machine highly coveted to be the next APC for the military? The Cybertruck is all electric and battery powered. It has a range of 500 miles and can do 0 to 60 miles an hour in an estimated 2.9 to 6.5 seconds, depending on the model. A team of designers that designed the Cybertruck came up with something that is one of a kind. The Cybertruck has an angular body that makes it look aggressive and different from a conventional truck. The Cybertruck comes in different layouts. You can have a rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, or a tri-motor. The Cybertruck has a wheelbase of 149.9 inches, a length of 231.7 inches, a width of 79.8 inches, and a height of 75 inches. It is in the class of large pickups with a 4-door polygonal body style. Instead of a chassis, the Cybertruck has an exoskeleton made with the ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel. This exoskeleton is rumoured to be able to stop 9mm bullets. It eliminates the possibility of dents, long-term corrosion, or damage from other elements. This exoskeleton also serves to protect passengers in the event of a crash or an accident. The Tesla is also equipped with an ultra-strong glass and polymer-layered composite that can absorb and redirect impact forces. This thing is built like a mini tank. The Cybertruck is not short-handed in the versatility department, as it has a payload capacity of 3,500 pounds with an adjustable air suspension. The truck bed is a massive 100 cubic feet with a magic tonneau cover that is strong enough to stand on. The truck bed is large enough to take care of all your travel storage needs. The Cybertruck is also capable of towing weights of up to 14,000 pounds. Aren't you amazed by the capabilities of this vehicle? The adaptive suspension is also useful when you need to put something into the truck bed. You lower the suspension so it wouldn't be too much trouble lifting the load. The Tesla Cybertruck, in addition to all of these qualities, can comfortably seat 6 passengers and has an all-new infotainment system that can be customised to its user's preference. The Cybertruck has a minimalistic interior design that would amaze anyone that is getting to see it for the first time. The military Cybertruck. The proposed military Cybertruck wouldn't be designed as the commercial one will be. This will be different from the Hummer truck that was first available for the military before it was converted for commercial purposes. The Tesla military Cybertruck would be modified to serve the Army's needs as the ultimate tactical vehicle. The materials used on Tesla's Cybertruck seems to be far above the standards of any civilian truck. Since the military revealed its plans to use EVs for remote missions, many people talked about the possibility of the Cybertruck becoming the next military vehicle. The Cybertruck has an advantage over other trucks that might be vying for the position because of its looks and the base materials that were used in its production. The Cybertruck has a price of $39,000 for the base model and single motor. That price tag can go up to $69,000 for the tri-motor, Many civilians have taken to the internet to show designs based on Tesla's Cybertruck that could serve as a military transport. There are different forms of these designs, and we would be looking at what Cybertruck Designs has envisaged for the military Cybertruck. The civilian Plaid Apocalypse armoured truck. This is one of the adaptations of the Cybertruck into something military-like. Plaid Apocalypse is such a cool name. This armoured truck's rendition in matte black is pleasing to the eyes. In Cybertruck Designs' design, the Plaid Apocalypse has the entire body of the Cybertruck upgraded with armour, including the glass. The front bumpers were extended, and it featured the addition of bars to the doors for extra protection. The Plaid Apocalypse also featured shocking door handles. The design also featured foldable solar panels. The owner of the Tesla has also been vocal about installing solar panels on the roof of the Cybertruck. The foldable solar panels would give the truck an extra range of 15 miles each day. The Plaid Apocalypse will feature a Plaid powertrain, which pumps out about 800 horsepower and 1,000 pound-feet of torque. The Plaid Apocalypse is fitted out with the best defensive measures you can find in an armoured vehicle. Reconnaissance Cybertruck, Quiet Scout. This Cybertruck is smaller and shorter than the original Cybertruck or any of the other military adaptations. It is a truck that is designed with the notion of stealth. As the name suggests, it is going to be used for reconnaissance missions. The Quiet Scout is intended to be a 3-seater with a camouflage paint job that makes it look mean. Like every other military adaptation on this list, it is equipped with shocking door handles, utility storage and more. The Quiet Scout's front end is longer and is fitted with a capable winch to help it get through rugged terrain. It has a Kongsberg M153 mounted onto the top and has provision for a Ghost UAS drone at the rear. The Quiet Scout has every feature that should be bestowed on any modern Scout vehicle. Transport Cybertruck, new generational Humvee. This is another role that the Cybertruck can fit into with ease. Because of its large truck bed, any Cybertruck can be converted into a military transport for troops. Cybertruck Designs also put out the rendition of this form. It features a foldable solar panel on its roof. The Transport Cybertruck is entirely armoured, has utility storage on both sides, and is painted in the military green shade, accompanied by the US Army crest and flag on the side profile. The inside of the Cybertruck has been redesigned to seat 12. There are 6 jump seats that can be accessed from a door on the back of the truck. The front of the Transport Cybertruck is equipped with a frontal launch system for the Ghost UAS drone. Then on the top, like an all-seeing eye, is a Crow's Kongsberg M153 protector gun that seems to be remotely controlled since there is no utility hole for the gunner. This design looks like what the next generation Humvee would look like. This design could also audition for the military transport vehicle of the US Army and probably get the part. Combat Cybertruck, Tank. This mode of the Cybertruck is jokingly called the Tank. It does look the part and might be able to serve as one also. The tank might still bear the resemblance to any Cybertruck, but it looks different. Many of the features have been changed entirely. The first noticeable change is the presence of a 6-wheel drive configuration. This means that another additional axle has been added to the rear. The body has been heavily upgraded with armour, even more than the Transport Cybertruck or the Plaid Apocalypse. The bumper has been shaped into a kind of battering ram that can be used to punch through walls or gates. While the Transport Cybertruck is a 12-seater, the tank is a 5-seater vehicle. In a combat tank, that's all you would need. The tank is also equipped with shocking door handles to prevent entry from the outside while it's in operation. The tanks also bear the same paint job and design as the Transport Cybertruck. On the offensive part, there is a 360-degree rotational tank gun. In the rendering, a reload bay would ensure that the doors do not have to be opened when transferring goods and armour. There are also more lighting options on the windshield and below the headlight bar. Every one of the aforementioned military applications is not in production or approved by the government. Since the military disclosed its wishes on using EVs for remote missions, many people clung to the idea of seeing the Cybertruck as a military vehicle. Every soldier thrives on the advantage and support that his superiors can offer him. If the military decides to integrate any of these adaptations into their fleet of military vehicles, their missions could become self-sufficient when it comes to energy. There wouldn't be a need for generators and a fuel supply chain. The addition of the foldable solar panels would mean that they could have equipment capable of self-sustaining in the field, which is an added advantage. If you feel the Tesla Cybertruck is cool as a military vehicle, or you would like to see one of these military adaptations being used in real-life combat situations, let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.